Good morning, my YouTube viewers. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to perform a chi-square test for independence in Python. And what a chi-square test for independence does is it determines whether there is a statistical association between two categorical values. So in order to do that, the first thing that we need to do is we need to import the libraries that we're going to use to execute the program in Python. So that's going to be in NumPy SMP, which is your numerical library. And we're going to import scipy.stats as stats, which is the statistical module of scipy, which is a scientific library. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to create a contingency table. So that's going to be a NumPy array with a list of the values 10, 20, 30, and then a second list of the values 6, 9, 17. So that's your NumPy array. So now we're going to perform the chi-square test for independence. So chi2 statistic, comma, p-value, comma, degree of freedom, comma, expected equals stats.chi2 contingency of brackets observed. So we're going to print the results. We're going to print the chi-square statistic, the p-value, the degrees of freedom, and the expected frequencies. So we're going to come over here. So your chi-square statistic is 0.27. Your p-value is 0.8730. Your degree of freedom is 2. And then it gives you your expected frequencies. And so basically what happens is generally whenever we set the alpha at 0.05, so if the p-value is less than 0.05, then what you do is you reject the null hypothesis in favor of the alternate hypothesis. But basically, in this instance, since the p-value is greater than 0.05, you're going to fail to reject the null hypothesis. So basically, that's how you perform your chi-square tests for independence. And then the next video is the next series of videos are going to be some practice questions, which should be a good experience for you if you want to know how to do hypothesis testing.